of central Illinois for tonight. Thunderstorms. Rain showers until midnight, then a chance of rain showers after midnight. Breezy. Much cooler. Lows in the lower 30s.
Speech on.
Northeast winds 15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Chance of rain near 100%. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. For the WXJ71 listening area, severe thunderstorm watch number 76 has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties: Fulton, Knox, Marshall, Mason, McLean, Peoria, Stark, Tazewell, and Woodford. At 4 p.m. in Peoria, skies were cloudy. The temperature was 77 degrees, the dew point was 58, and the relative humidity was 51%. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for McLean County until 5:45 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Stanford, or 7 miles west of Bloomington, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bloomington and normal around 4:55 p.m. Downs around 5 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Colfax. This includes the following highways: Interstate 39 between mile markers 0 and 4. Interstate 55 between mile markers 149 and 177. Interstate 74 between mile markers 122 and 151. You're listening to